Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to use voice commands. Thanks to voice control function, you can fast control through simple voice commands. If the voice commands icon is white, it means the function can be used normally. Here are commands you can use. Log the video. Log the video. Take picture. Turn on audio. Turn off audio. Turn on screen. Turn off screen. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on screen. Turn off Wi-Fi. Turn on recording. Turn off recording. Show front camera. Show rear camera. And these are the commands you can use. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.